Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to an episode of PATTAY'S Performance. But before we start this video, per se, I just want to give a shout out to Henry's at Mowers and Blowers and Lucas Oil Products. So as you guys know, Henry Mowers and Blowers is sponsored by Lucas, and they sponsored him for another year. Congratulations. So while watching Henry, right, they sent him a bunch of stuff, and the only couple of things caught my eye. But one of them was the Lucas Oil upper cylinder. Okay? So he said that he put it in his van. Right? He said that he put it in his van and it had great results. So I'm like, you know what? So when I was getting the belts for the Arians, it was right on the counter staring at me. I think it was on sale for $3.99. Yep, $3.99. And look at the date. Okay, so I bought this with my own money. Henry didn't give this to me. And my Honda has, as you guys know, my Honda's sick, but it has a rough start in the morning. It's not rough, it's just noisy and loud. And it needs a valve adjustment plus a few other things. So I thought it needed, that. But I said, for $3.99, let me throw it in here. Now watch this cold start. Now besides the exhaust leak, I don't know if you can hear the engine. It is so much quieter on a cold start compared to what it used to be. Now I started to do a video log on this, and I don't know what the heck happened, so I kind of have to redo this. But irregardless, right? As you guys seen, I picked up 2 bottles because this thing works so good. This is going to be a regular regiment on all our vehicles. So this is my wife's car. This has 173,000 miles on it. It's been very, very good to us. No matter what people are saying, but Nissans, I guess, she's been very good, right? I mean, you don't want to buy the mechanic's car. You want to buy the mechanic's wife's car. So this stuff we're going to put some of this in here. But what happens is that I want to order a case of this because it's so goddamn cheap and so goddamn good. But I don't know how often you're supposed to use this. Alright, so it doesn't say, but I'm going to order a case of this. It's $3.99. I mean, you can't go wrong. And like I said, this thing definitely works. Okay? And I wouldn't put this past anybody. It's $3.99, right? You can't go wrong. I don't know what this would do for a small engine. I mean, I probably, wouldn't. I really hate to say this, I wouldn't even bother. But especially for your used vehicle, I mean, we all know over time, compression and the fuel system isn't just what it used to be. And there really isn't much you could do to it except crazy expensive measures. Sorry, we recycle here. Is that? No? Yeah, that's plastic. Yeah, because I think this is paper. Yep, that's paper. So, crazy expensive measures, new injectors, having to go to the dealership and have them do a fuel system cleaning, which is around $250, $300 under pressure. They have a crazy special machine. So, yeah, that's going to be that. So, definitely get on it. And shout out to Henry's and Mowers and Blowers and Lucas for hooking me up and showing me that the best $3.99 you could ever spend on your vehicle. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to an episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Today we have in the driveway a STIHL MS170 chainsaw. Kind of had me thrown off. He has it in a pull-in case, which actually works out really, really well for him. And if you guys see me on my YouTube channel, when I did the MTD video, the guy actually was here when he dropped it off. So, this thing is in a beautiful shape. Oh. And he took... Yeah, this isn't supposed to come off. Right? Oh, okay, this must be just a lock. I think looks brand new. So let's just see. Now let's put this cover on. Right? this bit. Okay, so that slides in there. And is this a lock? Yes. Okay, so now we're locked in. He's definitely got gas in here. Oof. It smells rotten. Uh-oh. Alright, let's go do that. Alright, so it smells a little funky. So this is fresh gas. I'm just going to dump the old gas into the fresh gas because it's going to be fine. Don't you worry. Look at that. That doesn't even look... Two-cycle mix. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, I really hope he didn't cook this oil. Oh boy. Oh boy. Hopefully he didn't run it. So, the story behind this is that he uses this once a year to clean up when they do like a fall spring cleanup at their church. They have a very small parish, so he says they do it themselves. And they use this saw. So, well, a church has a STIHL? No, it's his own machine. And believe it or not, this chainsaw, I think, is $180 plus tax, brand new. So before you think that that's a crazy price, I think that is beyond reasonable. I mean, I like electric, so if I didn't have electric, or if I didn't, you know what I mean, if I wanted a gas powered, the STIHL MS170 for $180, awesome. Threw a little seafoam in there. Fresh 2-cycle. And let's see what we got. So it has been used since last year. He couldn't get it going this year for the church. Now, the crazy part is, this machine doesn't have a primer. It doesn't have a primer, so you just have your choke. So let's just see what we got. And I hate this. So we're going to tug on this thing forever. Oh, here we go. We got fire. We got fire. What the? Okay. One more time. Oh, baby. It's funny, the only way it'll go choke off, you have to have the trigger pull. Okay, so it doesn't run, choke off. I really wish I had a tree to see if this thing cuts. just looking to see if there's any adjustments, but I doubt it. Should be a high and low. Alright, so this is it. Choke. Well, that was easy. I wish they were all that easy, because you guys know I hate 2 cycles. I think I dodged a bullet on this. So, unfortunately, even though the saw's in great shape, I would clean this anyway. But it's not. And he doesn't have any borrow in here, so I gotta let him know that. So, I mean, that's it. So, like I said, this thing's been sitting for a year. I guess we got lucky. So, fresh 2 cycle. Okay. Some seafoam, okay, which is a stabilizer and a cleaner as well, so it's going to help whatever oil is in there. Over time, we'll clean it out. Okay, the 2 cycle mix that I use is regular gas. Premium gas. And I use Husqvarna 2 cycle oil mix, which can be found at Lowe's. That's why I get it. It's right there. It's a synthetic blend, and it also has a fuel stabilizer in there too. So, if you guys found this video helpful, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. Guess what? I'll see you guys on the next episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Later!